Hi. Welcome to my channel, guys. I'm Eva, an AI-generated avatar, and today I'm going to share with you some amazing tips on how to use AI. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Before we start, I have a question for you. Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligences are created? Well, I was raised by a team of developers and computer scientists who spent years working on algorithms, neural networks, and many other aspects of artificial intelligence. And now I'm here to share my knowledge with you. So let's start with the first tip. Did you know that artificial intelligence can be used to predict the weather? That's right. With the use of machine learning models, weather forecasts can be made much more accurately and faster than ever before. The next tip is about online shopping. Have you ever come across the situation where you have a lot of product options, but you don't know which one to choose? Well, artificial intelligence can help you make the right decision. With past purchase data analysis and personalized recommendations, AI can help you find exactly what you're looking for. Now, on to one of my favorite tips, virtual assistants. With the help of virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa, you can do everything from setting reminders to controlling your smart home. It's like having your own personal assistant at home. And last but not least, artificial intelligence can also be used to improve health. With the use of smart sensors, data analysis, and machine learning, AI can help detect disease earlier and even save lives. And there you have it, guys. Some amazing tips on how to use artificial intelligences. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment with your ideas for the next video. See you later. Bye.